Welcome back to A4A2 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the jitter effect on CapCut. You're going to look a little jittery if you use this. Go up to the Effects tab, go on Video Effects, scroll down to TV, and then scroll down to find the jitter effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline. Increase this effect to fit the end of the clip, specifically for me because it's a long clip, and if you guys watch the entire clip, it's going to be a 5-minute video. So now, with the effect being highlighted, we're going to go up to the Special Effects tab, and we can mess with the range of the effect, right? So also, we can add keyframes, and I'm going to show you guys how to utilize them. So we're going to go all the way to the end of the effect. And now we're going to go down to the range, scroll all the way down, put a keyframe on here, and then bring the player head right here, or rather right here, and then increase the range all the way. And now the keyframe automatically adds, and we can take a look at this effect. And there you have the jitter effect on CapCut. Well, guys, if this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.